everyone, in before tutorial we seen how the player was jumping by using C# code. In this video we'll see how the player was animating. So we'll work with animations. Let's go to our computer. If you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button. Let's watch this amazing video. I want to animate the player, that is, if it's flying, the feather should be fly. So for that, what we have to do that, so we have to work with animations, right? Just go to window and you can find animation. Just control it. You can find this is a window and just drag here and keep beside of console. So this is the way to get our animation window. I'm explaining again. Just go to window and just go to animation and just control 6, otherwise the shortcut is control 6, and keep beside of console, because it's very important to setting the windows in UI. Then only we can work very easily and very clearly. So of course we done, just we created a window. That's if we didn't created any animations. So I want, my task is for player, I want to create an animation, right? So just click this player and create. So before creating, it's asked to player the file name. So just go to assets and create a new folder. Right click, new folder. Every animation should be in one folder. Just animations. In that folder, bird fly. Bird fly just created. Just now I created a animation, and you can find, just open the player and go to inspector window, and you can find the animator was automatically added. If you create that, automatically added here. Otherwise you can go to add component, animator, go to here and you can add like this also. This is two ways to can add. So this is the best way to add animator to your particular sprite. So just add property, and otherwise just keep project window for some time here, because we have to drag and drop. Just keep the bird, and first of all bird feather should be like this, after this like this. So just keep here, drag here, and you can find the dots. This is the timer for space, and you can keep here. Sometime increase this one, and just third one drag here and keep it here, and 1 2 third, and fourth one you can drag and keep it here. Just increase, and last one you can keep, and you can keep, and you can move also. Just you can move and you can drag here. So this is the way to add, and you can move here also. So just you can change the size, time for seconds. This is the time frame per seconds. You can change the size, and just keep it in again our same place. Just you can say, just play the button, and you can see here, and just play, and you can, I think it's your, you can observe the animation was playing here. Think not that much clear, then I think better to play this button. Wait, I'll open here and I'll play this button and I'll show. You can see the observe. So our player animation is going, and you can see here. Yes, it's feathery. Now but because it's fall down, because I didn't added the bounciness, think better to add the bounciness, then only the bird was good. Just play this one and you can find very clearly. Yes, you can find it's very clear. Yes, of course it's very clear. I think it's very clear how to add animations to the player. And if you added the animations, you can find here. So go to projects, and we created an animation folder, and you can find automatically we created the animation, right? If we create the animation, automatically the animator also created. Just click this one, you can find the tab here. So animator also created. This is the entry state. If you press that, and it automatically the bird fly. This is the bird fly animation. So this is the way to create animations. And I'll give one task, just animate this tree also. Like what I have did bird, just animate this tree also. I think it's very clear. Just animate this backside tree, and you can see this tree. Just animate this backside tree. That's all for today's section. I think you are clear about animations. Just I created the animation. Otherwise, you can add component also. And if you create animation, automatically animator also created. Animator is very important. So then only it will work. So that's all for today in this video, and I'll come with another video, that is how we can change the player, that means changing the sprites. So I'll come with another video.
I hope this video is helpful to you. In future, definitely I'll do more videos and more things, and let's subscribe this channel because if you support me, I'll do more and more videos, and do like and share also. And if you